Your AI agent calls a website and gets back 40,000 tokens of raw HTML, navigation bars, cookie banners, JavaScript garbage. Then it hallucinates because it cannot parse any of this. Or worse, it gets IP banned before the first request even goes through. Today I'm testing XCrawl, an API that claims to solve all of this. Let's find out if it actually does. When you build an AI agent that needs live web data, you hit the same walls every time. Anti-bot systems, Cloudflare, Imperva, Datadome, they detect and ban scrapers by IP, fingerprint, and behavior pattern. Dynamic content, half the web is JavaScript rendered, so a basic HTTP request returns an empty shell. And even if you get the data, it is raw HTML. Your LLM needs clean markdown or structured JSON, not a mess of tags. Then there is the infrastructure, running your own proxy rotation, headless browser pool, and parsing pipeline is weeks of work. Traditional scraping tools were built for data pipelines, not AI workflows. So what is XCrawl? It is a single API with 5 modules that cover the entire web data workflow. Search finds relevant pages by keyword with full location and language control. SERP pulls deep structured search engine results. Map returns every URL on a site. Crawl extracts pages in bulk based on rules. And Scrape converts any single page into clean markdown or structured JSON. 5 endpoints, 1 API key. Let me show you each one running against real websites. Getting started is straightforward. Sign up with your email and XCrawl instantly gives you 1000 free credits. No credit card required. I already have my account here showing 995 credits remaining. We are going to run real API calls right now. First up, the search API. I want to see what results look like for best LLM APIs 2025. This is exactly the kind of query an AI agent makes when doing competitive research. 1 post request to the search endpoint, 5 fully ranked results, title, URL, description, position, all clean JSON, no proxies to configure, no headless browser to spin up, no parsing logic to write. 2 credits, the data is already structured for an LLM to consume directly. Second test, the Scrape API. I'm hitting OpenAI's pricing page. First in Markdown mode. Look at this output. Clean, readable Markdown. No nav bars, no cookie banners, no JavaScript noise, just the actual content. Now watch the JSON extraction mode. I give it a natural language prompt describing exactly what fields I want, and it returns a perfectly structured JSON object with every model name and its exact pricing. That JSON goes straight into a database or an LLM prompt. Zero cleaning needed. Third test, map and crawl. This is how you build a knowledge base from a website. Map first, 1 call returns every URL on the site. Then I pick the top pages and crawl them in a single call. 5 pages, all converted to clean markdown, ready to vector embed into a RAG system or feed directly to an LLM. The crawl runs asynchronously. You get a job ID back and poll until it completes. Fast, scalable, minimal credits. Last demo, the full AI agent pipeline. You give it a search query. XCrawl finds the relevant competitor pages and scrapes them. Then Claude analyzes the clean markdown. The pipeline runs start to finish. XCrawl found the competitor pages, scraped each one, and Claude produced a structured competitive analysis table with features, pricing, target audience, and weaknesses for every tool start to finish. Under 30 seconds, no infrastructure, no proxies, no parsing code. Now here is why this actually works where basic scrapers fail. XCrawl ships with built-in anti-ban infrastructure. Residential IP proxy pools, so your requests look like real users from real locations. Browser fingerprint spoofing, so anti-bot systems cannot detect automation. And full JavaScript rendering, so dynamic pages load completely before extraction. XCrawl reports success rates holding steady above 90%, and you write 0 lines of code to get any of it. And this is my favorite part for agent builders. XCrawl has one-click AI. Agent integration, it plugs straight into Claude Code, OpenClaw, Hermes, and Codex through MCP, the Model Context Protocol. You do not write a custom scraping skill, you import the config, and your agent can suddenly search, scrape, map, and crawl the live web as native tools. That turns XCrawl from an API into an actual capability your agent just has. Put it together and the real-world workflows are obvious. Competitor research, map discovers a rival's site structure. Crawl batch pulls the content, feed it to an LLM for analysis. SEO monitoring, search pulls keyword rankings on a schedule, compare against history, auto-generate reports, content aggregation, scrape target pages, get structured JSON, drop it straight into your database. These are not demos, these are pipelines you can ship. On pricing, 3 tiers. $8 for entry level, good for testing. $49 is the main starter plan. That is where most developers building production agents will land. And $199 for heavy usage teams running this at scale. You get 1,000 free credits just for signing up, no card required. So you can run everything I just showed before spending a single dollar. Link is in the description. Sign up, test it yourself. If you're building AI agents that need live web data, XCrawl is the infrastructure layer you do not want to build yourself, and now you do not have to. That is the honest take. Like, if this helped, see you in the next one.